Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's Thursday, March 27, 2025. As I always say, today's a new day filled with new opportunities, and we're here to capitalize on these opportunities. Whatever happened yesterday, the day before, the week before, it does not matter today. Today's its own beast, and we need to make sure we approach it as so. Not worried about the wins and losses, as you guys always know. 100% focus on the process, and the process will take care of the results. So let's go ahead, take a look at these charts, see what levels we have marked out, and any potential trades we might take. Alright guys, so here we are in the chart. As usual, we do the same exact thing every single morning to build consistency with our approach. Session low marked out, or what is the session low? ES just broke below that. Session high marked out all the way up here, 50% retracement level. NQ, similar thing. NQ just broke below. Session low is now here. Session high is all the way up here. 50% retracement is my orange line you guys see on the charts. And any pivots. Any pivots marked out on the charts. I have one up here, one up here. 2 on ES above, and always a 50% retracement. Now that both ES and NQ have tapped into this sell side liquidity, I'm thinking potential sweep here and reversal move back up to the high side, potentially back to 50% level or up here because we have a London Asia high and all that. You'll go ahead and see this. So I have it marked out on the chart here. This is a potential 1 minute setup if we get the inverse close above. But since the 50% level is pretty close to it, I might be skipping out on that trade and let either price come all the way up here to Asia London high or whatever other pivots it wants to give on the hourly. So not forcing anything. Currently only 7 minutes since market open, so we're going to stay patient. We're going to stay disciplined here, and whenever the trade presents itself, we'll make sure we execute on it. So I'll go ahead and update you guys throughout the day, see what other levels we have, and any potential trades I might take. I'll be back. Okay, guys, here we are looking at this NQ short. If this candle could stay closed below this gap, candle close in 2 seconds.
Order filled.
Okay, we are in on that short. Let me go ahead and adjust my stop loss and take profits. Okay, guys, so the reasoning behind this trade is you guys saw me mark out the levels up here. A ton of buy side that just got swept on ES and NQ. As you guys see these levels, the red line is London high. The red and blue line here on NQ is the Asia and London high at the same time. So once the 2 minute came up, closed gave a nice decent sized gap here. Once it decided to come close below, it's telling me sellers are in the market. Again, this is my model. This is my entry signal. This is my trigger. And once it got the close below, I went ahead, placed the order to go short. And now we are in the trade. Stop loss take profit is set. Nothing for me to do here other than wait around a little bit and see what direction price wants to go. So I'll go ahead and update you guys here in a bit and let you guys know how it plays out. Okay, guys, here we are back on the chart. As you guys see, here was the entry. Price consolidated there for a little bit, chopped around. But ultimately, the model worked out, ended up working in my favor there for a full plus 2R winner. Pretty good there. Kind of just free fell all the way back down to my full target, and one and done on the day, finishing the day, locking that up. Don't want to trade again, making sure we lock in the profits and live to fight another day. So I'll go ahead and update you guys with the Apex accounts. As you guys see, all here. This is the one Apex account I lost yesterday. I'm trying to make this one back. Pretty close to it, so I'll probably trade this off screen and get another trade. Again, I'm going to make sure I execute. I treat the evals the same exact way I do the fundeds. I just size up a little bit heavier. So this one I did 3 times. On all the fundeds, I do 3x. And as you guys see here, it paid off. And I'm pretty close to being funded again. So hopefully we have that one funded by tomorrow. I'll show you guys the execution. So today, 1 trade, 1 winner, no losers, plus 2R on the day. Pretty decent size winner there. And here you guys can see the executions, 3 micros, 30 minutes in the trade, in and out. Here you guys see my funded futures. Again, these are pretty close to being funded. I'll probably take another setup, A+ setup only on the evals and size accordingly now. I'll probably just be risking $200 on this one, and if I get the winner, it'll be plus 400. It'll be pretty close to taking me out, and if I end up losing on those, we'll be back tomorrow. We'll try to grow them again. But again, trade the same exact way as I do on my fundeds. On the evals, I just size a little differently to make them get there. Here you guys can see Tradeify. So these accounts are decent growing here, and hopefully we get these on the same path as well. So pretty quick day for me, guys. Super patient, and waited about 1 hour and 40 minutes from market open until I was able to take my first setup, and I think it paid off, right? Being super patient, disciplined, and waiting for the right setup to present itself, that's key. I could have FOMO'd into something subpar. I could have FOMO'd and revenge traded into something else when I saw another setup work that I didn't jump into, but I stayed patient, stayed disciplined, and I made sure I executed once the valid setup presented itself. So there you guys have it. One and done on the day. I think that makes me break even, if not slightly green on the week. Yeah, we're slightly green on the week now. I think $90. So slightly green. We'll come back tomorrow. We'll see how tomorrow plays out, and hopefully we can finish off the week on a green note. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.